Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the Jan Bhagidari initiative in Surat, Gujarat through video conferencing. A study published in the prestigious international science journal Nature says Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream project, Swachh Bharat Mission, has helped avert around 60,000 to 70,000 infant deaths annually between 2011 and 2020 in India. External Affairs Minister S. Shankar has described Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Brunei and Singapore as a pivotal moment in India's Act East policy. Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has held a meeting with the Minister for Digital Transformation of Japan, Taro Kono, in Tokyo to discuss strengthening the India-Japan digital ties. Union Minister for Ayush, Pratap Rao Yadav, has announced that the national exit tests for Ayush will be effective from the 2021 to 2022 batch onwards.